This is break-even charts. This is common with Leave Insert Business, and I'm dealing with question 7 here, and I've already used the contribution sales formula to work out my break-even point. I have it over here. So let's look at the nature of the diagram. Now, when you're drawing the diagram, so you have money on one side, quantity on the other, and it doesn't have to be exactly to scale, but try and get it approximate, and definitely to make it neater, make sure you use rulers. So the sales revenue, so if the quantity is 0, if we sell 0, then we'll take in no money. So that always starts at the origin, and I would usually draw that at about a 45-degree angle up like that as a straight line. That's sales revenue. Now, total cost. So if our quantity that we sell is 0, then the only cost we're going to have is our fixed cost. So we'll label this this axis here, we'll label it with 60. In this case, it's 60,000 units. So 60 is the number of units. I remember our fixed cost in this particular question is 60,000. So from that line, 60, go up and cross the sales revenue line approximately in the middle of the graph that you've drawn. It just makes everything a little bit neater and easier to understand later on. Okay, so that's my total cost line. So I've labeled then the 60 there. So now I move on and I'll take the numbers from the formula when I put it into the formula. So it says here I'll take in 160,000 euros. So 160 is what goes to mark that line there where the break-even point, remember this here, I might as well mark that as well. So break-even point is there. And the break-even point quantity, it says, is 2,000 units. So I'll put 2,000 down the bottom. Okay, so that's how you label the diagram. It's as simple as straightforward as that. Those of you doing Leave Insert Business, well, you would draw a vertical line here to indicate your forecast output, and the difference is your margin of safety. That's that.